Hey everybody, Jim Dedelow of WJOB out here at the press conference following the Munster MERS case. We've got Don Fesko, he's the CEO of Community Hospital here. Don, a lot of details coming out in this press conference, but one of the things that I know that you wanted to concentrate on is Community Hospital's response to this. How's it been so far?
It's been tremendous. As we talked about in the press conference, our staff responded quickly through a detailed history of the patient and the signs and symptoms. They tested for this. Once we had suspicion, then we partnered with the Indiana State Department of Health to run those lab tests. And then after that, what happens is they have to go to the CDC in Atlanta to actually confirm those tests. So that all happened within about 48 hours. 36 to 48 hours, and then from there, the coordinated approach was unbelievable. Our team internally, which was so important, is with different tracking mechanisms through video surveillance, RFID tags that we have on our employees and nurses, that we can tell everyone that was in and out of that room, and so people won't be coming out of the woodwork later and saying, I think I was in there. We can track that. And that's just amazing technology we have that helped us really keep this contained.
So 50 employees right now is what you've identified, and they're all on home isolation. What's that done to the hospital staffing?
Thankfully, with a staff of over 3,000 employees, we've been able to fill those gaps. Staff is willing to work overtime and help out their coworkers, which is just tremendous here at the hospital.
There's one of the things that the Chicago media and some of the national media kept trying to get a sense of is how could a guy come in with such a weird disease and a little old in Northwest Indiana hospital figure that out? I mean, what was the key there? Was it one person that kind of got a light bulb, or what happened?
Well, I think you have to credit that to our infectious disease specialists here. We have just brilliant doctors here. And then with the signs and symptoms the patient was displaying, learning about the travel history and where he worked, you put the puzzle together, and that's what happens when you have tremendous medical staff. We continue to be recognized as a 50 best hospital in the country. This is just a shining example of what our medical staff and medical team can do here.
Don Fesko, CEO of Community Hospital. Don, good job in a pressure situation.
Thanks, Jed.
All right, AM 1230 WJOB.